Let's make a dinner that's easy, healthy, and delicious. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where each week we spend time together in the kitchen creating healthy and delicious recipes. Today we're going to be making a balsamic chicken and peach salad. Begin by taking 1 pound of cut up chicken thighs, chicken breasts, or your favorite veggies for a vegetarian option, and place into a glass bowl or baking dish. Now let's make a simple marinade. Begin by taking 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, and to it we're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced up garlic cloves, which is about 3 cloves. The measurement does not need to be exact here. Next we're going to add 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup, or local honey, or your preferred sweetener. We're just going to add just a little bit of sweetness, so use the sweetener that works best for you. Whisk these ingredients together and then pour over your chicken and stir to coat them really well. Set your chicken aside to marinate for about 20 minutes. While your chicken is marinating, preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and then let's prepare a baking sheet by brushing it with some olive oil. Once your chicken is done marinating, place it on your greased baking sheet and brush it with additional extra virgin olive oil. Sprinkle the chicken with 1/2 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt, mixed together with either 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper or 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Roast for 15 to 20 minutes until your chicken is done, stirring halfway. While your chicken is roasting, let's make up the salad dressing. Begin by taking 1/4 cup of olive oil, and to it we're going to add the juice of 1/2 a lemon that's rich in vitamin C, 1 to 3 teaspoons of minced up garlic clove, and it just really depends on how much garlic flavor you want in your salad. The last ingredient is optional. I'm going to add 2 drops of our orange essential oil, and you always want to be sure you're using organic and food grade whenever you're adding to a recipe. This will add some wonderful vitamin C, just like our lemon. Whisk your salad dressing ingredients together and set aside. When your chicken is done, remove it and let it cool. Now it's time to assemble our salad. Place your arugula or mixed salad greens in a bowl, and to it let's add 2 sliced peaches, your roasted chicken, and 1/2 cup of either chopped up walnuts or pecans if you're using. Drizzle your salad with the dressing and stir to coat. Serve up immediately. Okay, let's give this salad a try. I love the sweetness that the peaches bring. There's a couple things I think that I would do to tweak it. Because I want more of that balsamic vinegar taste, I think what I would do is substitute maybe half of the olive oil in the dressing for some more balsamic vinegar, or let your chicken marinate a little bit longer just so we can really bring those flavors forward. And then you can always top this off with some fresh black pepper and salt just to up it again a little bit. And you can also roast the walnuts or pecans if you're using those. And you could even roast your peaches a little bit if you want them to caramelize a little bit more. This salad is great. It's a great starting point. I hope you give it a try, and please let me know how it goes for you if you do. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay motivated, inspired, and connected.